All right, let's talk about one of your body's most important and maybe most overlooked helpers. We're going to dive into the story of a tiny but absolutely mighty superhero for your body, vitamin B12. We'll look at what it does, why it's so incredibly important, and of course, how you can make sure you've got enough of it.
So, let me ask you this. Have you ever just felt tired for no reason? Or maybe your brain just feels a little foggy, you know? It's so easy to just blame it on not enough sleep or a stressful week. But what if the real culprit was something microscopic, working deep down inside your cells?
And here it is. Meet vitamin B12, or Cobalamin if you want to get technical. Now, the most important thing to get right off the bat is this. Your body is amazing at a lot of things, but it absolutely cannot make B12 by itself. It's what we call an essential helper, meaning we have to get it from outside sources, like the food we eat.
So what is this hero's big mission? Well, you can think of it as a two-part epic. First, it has to go on this really tricky journey just to get into our system. And then, once it's inside, it gets to work on some of the most critical jobs in the entire body.
Okay, so before B12 can do any of its amazing work, it has to complete this surprisingly complex journey, all the way from your plate into your cells. It's not as simple as just eating something, you know? There's this whole multi-step process just for your body to absorb it.
The best way to think about it is like trying to get into a super exclusive club. First, your stomach acid acts like a bouncer, separating the B12 from the food it came in with. Then, to get through the main door, your gut wall, B12 needs a special VIP pass. This pass is actually a protein called intrinsic factor. And here's the kicker. Without that pass, B12 is just denied entry. It can't get in. It's a really clever system, but you can already see how things might go wrong.
All right, so our hero made it past security. It's in. Now what? Well, this is where B12 truly shines. It's basically a master of two very different but equally vital jobs.
So here are its two main gigs. On one hand, it's like a construction foreman, helping to build all those healthy, round red blood cells that carry oxygen everywhere in your body. And on the other hand, it's a guardian, protecting your nerves. It basically helps create the insulation, the protective coating around all your body's electrical wiring. Super important stuff.
So we know its jobs are a big deal, but this really raises the stakes. What happens if our hero doesn't show up for work? This is where things can get pretty serious, and it really shows why understanding B12 matters so much.
The consequences are, well, directly tied to the jobs it's supposed to be doing. When the construction foreman is gone, your blood production line falls apart. And when that guardian is missing, your nerves, your body's super fast communication lines, are left exposed and vulnerable. And here's what that breakdown actually feels like. If you don't have B12, your red blood cells can't form the right way, and that leads to a type of anemia that causes that deep fatigue and weakness. And if your nerves aren't protected, you can get that weird numbness or tingling, memory issues, and even poor balance. And what's really critical to know is that in severe cases, some of this nerve damage can actually be irreversible. Now, you might be wondering, does this affect everyone equally? Well, no. Some people have a much harder time either getting enough B12 in their diet or absorbing it properly once they do. So who is most at risk of having this hero go missing in action? This chart lays it out pretty clearly. Since B12 is almost exclusively found in animal products, vegans and vegetarians who aren't supplementing are at a really high risk. The elderly are also vulnerable because as we age, our stomach acid can decrease, and remember, that's step one for getting B12 into the club.
Okay, but there's some really good news here. It's actually pretty easy to call for reinforcements and make sure our little B12 hero is always on duty and ready to go.
The great thing is you have options. B12 is naturally packed into animal foods like meat, fish, and dairy. For anyone on a plant-based diet, tons of foods like breakfast cereals and plant milks are fortified. That just means they've been boosted with B12. And of course, supplements are always a super reliable and direct way to get what you need.
So let's boil all of this down to a simple action plan. What's the one thing you really need to take away from all this? It's this number right here. It really doesn't take much. The recommended amount for most adults is just 2.4 micrograms a day. And yeah, notice that's micrograms, not milligrams. We're talking about a millionth of a gram. It's an unbelievably tiny amount that has a massive impact on your health. So, to recap the whole mission, B12 is your body's essential construction worker and nerve guardian. Your body can't make it, so you have to get it from somewhere else. Whether that's from animal foods, fortified products, or a supplement, just being aware of your sources is the biggest and most important step to keeping your body running smoothly.
You know, just understanding this one microscopic hero is such a simple way to take charge of your own health. It really makes you wonder, what other invisible, unsung heroes are working hard behind the scenes right now to power you through your day?